You know that moment when you're craving something crispy, fast, and foolproof, but your oven takes forever and still leaves your food soggy, and your microwave, well, we don't even need to go there. What if I told you there's a way to make perfectly crispy frozen food without any hassle? Let me show you. This is the NutriChef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. It has a glass tray that is both transparent and dishwasher safe, and it's got 8 preset cooking modes and enough space to feed my family. Or just me when I get a craving for some crispy chicken nuggets without the fast food grease. I'm starting with frozen chicken nuggets straight out of the bag. No preheating, no thawing, just tossing them in the basket. I'm using the French fry preset because it's the hottest, plus I'm adding 10 degrees to take it to its max of 375. Then I'm reducing the time to just 12 minutes. Let's go. Look at that. The air fryer's convection heat is crisping these nuggets up beautifully. It's so satisfying to watch through the transparent bowl. And the ability to watch your food cook helps a ton when you're experimenting with something new, since your chances of burning or undercooking food goes way down when you can see it cooking. All right, they're done. The smell, amazing. The look, perfectly crispy. But the real test, the crunch. Wow, these taste like they came straight out of a deep fryer, but without all the grease. And I don't have to babysit the oven or deal with uneven cooking. So, is the NutriChef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer worth it? Well, it just turned frozen nuggets into crispy perfection in 12 minutes. And I didn't have to lift a finger after hitting start. If you're ready to take your crispy game to the next level, check out the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with what you want me to air fry next.